What's going on, guys? Greg with PizzlesTechTime, back again with another video. And today I've been recording a whole bunch of different videos. We're gonna have tons of content for the channel, and a lot of it is gonna be based off this bad Larry right here. This is the Meta Quest 3. Yes, I finally got used to saying Meta, and I finally got over my hate for the company after discontinuing the Rift S. I took a little break from VR and I decided to step back in, and I'm super excited. I ended up buying a bunch of accessories so that I could test the Meta accessories versus the cheaper accessories that are on Amazon. If this is your first time here, my name's Greg. I make tech videos weekly in 4K. I've been doing this a while. I know that a lot of bigger creators are already covering this. The videos are already out. I have not even put this on yet. I've literally been recording videos for the past 3 hours. For this video, the Quest 3, we're gonna do a very quick unboxing. I'm gonna show you what this thing looks like. That'll be about it for this video. We're just going to do an unboxing for you guys. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, followed by the notification bell, so you'll be notified next time I drop a video, guys. Let's get down and unbox this Quest 3. Let's go. Meta Quest 3, finally got used to the name Meta. 512 gigabyte version. This is the first day that I could get it. I went to Best Buy. They have plenty in stock. Inside this box, it's going to come with the Meta Quest 3 headset, standard facial interface, 2 Meta Quest Touch Plus controllers, 2 wrist straps, pre-installed power adapter charging cable, and 2 AA batteries. I ended up getting the 512 gigabyte version so I can screen record and make some content for YouTube. And I'm really super excited, so let's open this bad boy up. And there is a little tab right here with a little arrow. We'll open it like so. That's off. Now we are going to be able to slide this. Oh, there's another one. Wow, crafty Meta, huh? So we're going to take that off, and now we can slide this. Meta Quest 3, really nice packaging. Let's smell it. Just smells like cardboard. Voila. Very nice packaging. This could, you could use this as a case for it if you wanted to. We have here the Meta Quest 3 and all the cameras and sensors. This little thing we can take off, and it says, you can slide the IPD, it looks like. No sunlight, no liquid cleaners, okay? Okay, I'm not exactly sure. Okay, yep. So that button makes it so you can adjust this portion, and I'm gonna want mine as close as I can. And the facial interface comes pre-installed here. It is a fabric. I'm not exactly sure why they went with a fabric here. Seems a little bit of a bad design choice, and the strap feels pretty big, and this is movable here. Wow, really high quality headset. We've got USB-C, we've got a button here, and we have auxiliary for headphones. Now, the whole fabric thing, I don't know, especially white fabric. I feel like this might get dingy and dirty, but as you can see, it is what it is here. And you have some awesome speakers right there, very large, right next to your ear. So that's gonna be awesome. Take a look at these controllers, and they just have a little thing that you would take off, but there's a button here. So the button here, and you're gonna pull out the battery tabs and then just put that back on. This feels like you're gonna be able to hit that button kind of easy, but hopefully you don't do that a lot. The controllers are very light, feel very good in the hands, and you can also do hand tracking with this thing, so you might not even need it. Don't know how I feel about the shiny plastic. We'll have to see how it holds up. And let's take a look at this right here. It says scan to start, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so it says blah, 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 okay. There really is something to say for packaging. I really love this packaging. I think Meta did an excellent job here. We're down to the accessory box here, so let's open that up. We have a round charger with a wax-like paper on it. Gonna take that right off, and USB-C. Little paper on there still. and some tape. Very grippy, feels reminiscent of Apple. and your basic US plug. And we have here a USB cable, not very long, well, not long at all. This is probably about 4 feet. Does feel rather high quality for a cable that comes with something. But for a $500 device, I expect maybe a cable that's a little bit longer, Meta. I mean, 4 feet is fine, but you're not going to be charging this while playing it like this. And we have some warnings, and that is it, guys. So we took a look at this Quest 3. Build quality is insane. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I have not got a chance to try it yet. It'll be a few more minutes before I can do that. But I'm really impressed by the build quality and the amount of technology in this thing. The things that I'm not loving about it are this fabric interface here, and the head strap is a little bit wonky. What I had planned on doing was to buy a little cheap one from Amazon, and then I thought, why not buy the one from Meta? Because I thought it was a little ridiculous that this was $40. But now that I have it in hand, I can see that it is the entire interface, and it is high quality, so I do understand the price, so I was a little wrong on my initial reaction there. This thing is going back to Amazon, and/or I'll use it for someone who's really gross if they want to use my headset. Super excited to get using this thing, guys. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like a review. My name's Greg. I love making tech videos weekly in 4K. I've been doing it for over 7 years now, and I really feel like I'm starting to hit a little stride here. So definitely pump me up, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, tell me you liked the video. I'd greatly appreciate it, guys. That's really all I gotta say right now. Until next time, I'm out. Peace.
Let your freak flag fly, fly. 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 Fly.